How long have you been representing Keith Raniere in this case?
So I came in as attorney of record in the federal case, I think November of 21.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
and if I can say 1 second of
go ahead,
something about Tully,
please.
um, you know, it's been a challenge to find lawyers that are, willing to say things, call them by what they are, that they have a certain amount of advocacy and bravery. And, Tully is the perfect advocate, the perfect lawyer for someone because he's not afraid of calling things for what they are. And he's been not only incredibly knowledgeable and able to manage the legal aspects of the case, but he's someone who is not afraid of leaning forward for a cause. And that has been incredibly inspiring for everyone around him. So thank you, Tully, and thank you for coming.
Okay, sure. So in terms of my background, I passed the bar in 1999. I originally wanted to go into high tech law. That was, the internet was just blossoming at that time, and it would have been perfect timing. I moved to Fresno, and there wasn't any tech legal jobs there. And the only job that I could get was at the public defender's office. And initially, I was kind of crushed. I didn't know criminal law. I didn't respect it. I, had barely studied it in law school. But after taking the job, I just fell in love with it within a matter of, days. It's just the greatest joy of my life, I think, representing people who are accused of crimes. And it's taught me so much in how to live and how to be a better person. I think this job, and when your job kind of makes you a better person every day, and forces you, then I think it's just a great position to be in. So that's kind of how I got into criminal law. I never really had a drive or any ambition to get into it. I fell into it by accident, and I'm just really happy I'm here. I went private in 2001. After getting a lot of experience at the public defender's office. In 2018, I published a book called California State of Collusion, and it's basically airing all the dirty laundry of our criminal justice system. And it's focused specifically on California, but I think the same principles apply all across the country. And it went to #1 on Amazon. But the book can basically be summed up into a few phrases that everybody knows. Power corrupts, absolute power corrupts absolutely. So those are people that get in the system who have good intentions. They still get corrupted. But a lot of times, power attracts bad people. So when we have positions of power, we have to be aware that bad people are attracted to those positions. So, #1, we have a lot of bad people getting into positions of power. And #2, even the good people are going to get corrupted over time. So it just, we have a lot of work to do in our criminal justice system. And I'm glad to be here and be a part of positive solutions and moving forward.